Here are 7 Linux distributions suitable for home users, each with distinct features and use cases. 1. Ubuntu. Overview. One of the most popular Linux distributions, Ubuntu is user-friendly and well-supported. Features. It includes a large repository of software, regular updates, and a vibrant community for support. Ideal for beginners and users looking for a stable and easy-to-use desktop environment. 2. Linux Mint. Overview. A derivative of Ubuntu, Linux Mint aims to provide a more traditional desktop experience. Features. Cinnamon. Desktop. Offers a familiar interface similar to Windows, which eases the transition for new users. Multimedia support. Comes pre-installed with many codecs for audio and video playback. Customization. High degree of customization options for users who want to tailor their experience. Use cases. Great for users looking for a polished desktop experience with minimal configuration. 3. Zorin OS. Overview. Aimed specifically at users switching from Windows, Zorin OS provides a familiar interface. Features. Windows-like interface, customizable desktop layout to resemble Windows, easing the transition for new users. Zorin Appearance. Tool that lets users tweak the look and feel of the desktop. Performance. Optimized for both modern and older hardware. Use cases. Perfect for Windows users looking for a seamless transition to Linux. 4. Fedora. Overview. A cutting-edge distribution that showcases the latest innovations in the Linux ecosystem. Features. Latest software, regularly updated, offering the latest features and improvements. Diverse spins. Different flavors available, like Fedora Workstation for developers and Fedora LXQT for lightweight needs. Strong community. Backed by Red Hat, it has robust community support and extensive documentation. Use cases. Suitable for developers and users who want to experiment with the latest technologies. 5. Elementary OS. Overview. A visually appealing distribution inspired by Mac OS, focused on simplicity and usability. Features. Clean design. Emphasizes a minimalistic and elegant user interface. App Center. An intuitive app store that curates applications for quality and usability. Privacy-focused. Strong emphasis on user privacy and security. Use cases. Great for users who value aesthetics and a streamlined user experience. 6. Manjaro. Overview. Based on Arch Linux, Manjaro brings the power of Arch with a user-friendly experience. Features. Rolling release. Always up to date with the latest software without needing a full system upgrade. User-friendly installer. A graphical installer that simplifies the setup process. Community editions. Multiple desktop environments available, including XFCE, KDE, and GNOME. Use cases. Suitable for users who want the flexibility of Arch, but with a more manageable setup. 7. Pop. OS Overview. Developed by System76, Pop. OS is geared towards developers and gamers. Features. Optimized for hardware. Especially designed for System76 machines, but works well on others. Built-in tools. Includes features like window tiling and a unique app launcher to enhance productivity. Gaming support. Good support for gaming with native drivers and Steam integration. Use cases. Ideal for gamers and professionals who need a powerful workstation. Conclusion. Each of these Linux distributions offers unique features that cater to different user needs. When choosing a Linux distro for home use, consider your familiarity with technology, specific use cases, and hardware compatibility to find the best fit for your requirements.